how to order from Yupoo using CNfans. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important point. So, ordering products from Yupoo using CNfans is simple and straightforward. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First, browse through Yupoo to find item you are interested in. Once you have found the product, copy the URL link of that specific item. Next, go to CNFAN website. In the search bar, paste the Yupoo product link you just copied. Then press enter or click the search icon. CNFAN will process the link and display the product details. Fill in any required options such as size, color, quantity. Make sure all specifications match your preferences before continuing. After confirming the details, add the item to your cart. Go to your cart to review all selected items. Then proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping information and choose your preferred payment method. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. Once your payment is confirmed, CNfans will handle the purchase and processing on your behalf. By following these steps, you can easily and efficiently order products from Yupoo using CNfans as your purchasing agent. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.